In times of crisis, businesses often find themselves struggling to survive. Whether it's a global pandemic, economic recession, or any other unforeseen event, the impact can be devastating. However, amidst the chaos and uncertainty lies an opportunity for growth and resilience. Content marketing has proven to be an effective strategy for businesses looking to bounce back stronger than ever. Understanding the reader's problem. Overcoming adversity. When faced with a crisis, business owners are confronted with numerous challenges: dwindling sales, reduced cash flow, disrupted supply chains, all leading to uncertainty about the future of their enterprise. The emotional toll on entrepreneurs is immense. Stress levels rise as they scramble for solutions while trying to keep their dreams alive. Unique rationale. Leveraging content marketing for recovery. Content marketing offers a unique solution by providing businesses with a platform to connect with their target audience on a deeper level during challenging times. It allows brands to establish trust and credibility through valuable content that addresses customer needs and concerns directly. What? Creating engaging and relevant content. To embark on a successful content marketing journey towards recovery, businesses must first understand their audience's pain points and aspirations. By conducting thorough market research and customer surveys, companies can gain insights into what topics resonate most with their target demographic. Why? Building trust in uncertain times. During crises or uncertain times when consumers are hesitant about spending money or switching loyalties between brands, building trust becomes paramount. Through content marketing efforts such as blog posts, social media updates, videos, or webinars that provide helpful information rather than pushing sales pitches, brands can position themselves as reliable sources of knowledge while fostering long-term relationships built on trust. How? Tailoring strategies for maximum impact. One key aspect of successful content marketing is understanding where your audience spends their time online. By identifying the platforms and channels they frequent, businesses can tailor their content to suit those specific mediums. For instance, creating visually appealing infographics or engaging videos may be more effective on social media platforms like Instagram or YouTube. When? Seizing opportunities during crisis. It's essential for businesses to recognize that crises also bring about new opportunities. By staying agile and adapting quickly to changing market dynamics, companies can identify emerging trends or gaps in the market that align with their core competencies. This allows them to create content that not only addresses customer pain points but also positions their brand as a leader in the industry. Concrete takeaways. Measuring success. Numbers provide concrete evidence of success when it comes to content marketing efforts during times of crisis. Tracking metrics such as website traffic, engagement rates on social media posts, lead generation through gated content, or even sales conversions attributed directly to content marketing initiatives can help businesses gauge the effectiveness of their strategies. Expanding points. Collaborating for greater impact. During difficult times, collaboration becomes crucial for business survival and recovery. Partnering with complementary brands or influencers within your industry can amplify your reach and enhance the impact of your content marketing efforts significantly. Conclusion. Bouncing back stronger than ever. In conclusion, embracing content marketing during times of crisis is not just a survival tactic. It is an opportunity for growth and resilience. By understanding customer needs intimately and delivering valuable insights through engaging and relevant content across various platforms, businesses can build trust while positioning themselves as leaders in their industries. Through careful measurement of key performance indicators, KPIs, and strategic collaborations with other brands or influencers, organizations can bounce back stronger than ever before, armed with a loyal customer base who values them not just as providers of products or services but as trusted sources of information and guidance during challenging times. Remember, crisis does not have to define us. It can be the catalyst for our success. By leveraging content marketing, businesses can navigate through adversity and emerge stronger on the other side. So, embrace this opportunity, connect with your audience authentically, and watch as your brand rises above the challenges to reach new heights of success.